Out in Charlotte on my world tour. We will be in Virginia coming soon. Within the next day, I'll be in Virginia. Consultations. You want to meet personally? I'll be in Lynchburg, Virginia. Consultation, credit repair, CPN, business credit. In Charlotte. Charm City. I think that's what they call Charlotte. Six a.m. in the morning. Take a tour. Beautiful city. Gorgeous downtown. Truist Field, home of the Charlotte Knights. You see Truist all around Charlotte. I don't know what was Truist. Is he the Truist? He might be the bluest. Yeah, like a federal building there. I don't want to guess that. Smoking, so I don't want to go past the government building smoking. Across the street. I don't know much history about Charlotte. Just know it's in the South. And from the looks of it, like it's a beautiful place. WeWork building. Feel like I'm There's a little tour of Charlotte. Beautiful, beautiful city. A lot of construction, through construction. That's how you know if a city is doing well, by the number of the cranes in the sky. You see a lot of cranes in the sky in your city, the city has money, it's developing. Truist Field. like the stadium, Bank of America Stadium. Behind me. Nice ball field. Nice ball field. Just walking along West 3rd Street coming up. I don't know what street I'm walking on, but there's West 3rd Street. More skyscrapers. How you doing? Wonderful. Charlotte resident?
No.
Oh, okay. Me either. Nice little park. If you need credit repair, description will be down below, as usual. If you need CPN, description will be down below. You just may not, excuse me, got tongue tied. I just may be in your city, you never know. So, if you need help, need assistance, one-on-one, you can invite me to your city and get hands-on instructions. Not a problem at all. Just take care of all my fees. 1 or 2 day trip. So I'm gonna turn around and end the video here. Just wanted to show you Charlotte, and like, subscribe, and share, comment down below.